guys, what's up? Welcome to another day. Let's try that again. Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to another daily vlog, and today. Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to another daily vlog, and today I am going to be saying 5 facts about me. First, I have hiccups. Like, don't count them. I have. Whoa, my camera just fell off its tripod. I have one dog. Good Monty is a chocolate Labrador. Oh, I wish these hiccups go away. I have broke my camera. My favourite YouTuber is Preston Please. My favourite daily vlog. These hiccups are literally shaking my camera. My favourite daily vlog person, YouTuber. Hiccups. Go. One sec, guys. I need a drink so bad. One of my Lucozade original. Right, hiccups still there, but anyway. My favourite TV show is The Middle. My mum's watching it. I'm going to go and watch it with her. Anyway, please subscribe and comment down below. Please, please, please comment down below. 10 I can't put 10 hands up because I'm holding my tripod so it will fall. 10 questions that you want to ask me, and I will be doing a Q&A, hopefully tomorrow. So please comment or... Grr. Or I won't be able to do the Q&A, which is really sad because I'm going to... These hiccups are getting my nose now. I'm going to see Keegan, and then we're going to do Q&A. By the way, I've had these hiccups all day. You can even ask Keegan. Oh, that hurt. Did you hear that? When you're drinking, like, jeez. Oh, that's weird. But anyway, hopefully the hiccups will go. But from that, bye friends. I hate hiccups, literally, officially. Bye friends. These are some of my bloopers. Bye friends. Wait, how did I do that?